What's up, everybody? It's 5:30 p.m. on this rainy Thursday night, and I am just starting a GrubHub shift. So I actually have a shift from 5:30 to 9. I did a few errands before starting, and I was already in the car, so I dropped off my wife and son a couple minutes ago, and I'm just about to head out, and we'll see how things go. I hope it's busier than last night. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll probably turn on some of the other apps as things go along. I'll keep you updated. I just grabbed my first order from Rocco's. So starting off with pizza, it's $5.45, and that's including drive time and pickup, so that's awesome. Drop-off location is only 5 minutes away, so I don't know. Things are off to a good start. I hope it's a busy night and we out here making money. It's 5 of 6, and I just dropped off that food a couple minutes ago. The guy was super awesome, gave me a $5 cash tip, which is amazing. I love that. It was a low order. It was only like a $4 pay, but I was like, I'm close by. With how slow it was yesterday, I'm just gonna grab it. Got that $5 tip. When I dropped it off, I did get another order for some. It was this taco place, but I didn't really have a good experience there in the past, so I just decided to reject it. Hopefully it's busy enough where I'll get another offer soon. In the meantime, I'm probably just going to go ahead and read my book, and we'll see how it goes. I'm just chilling right now. I just got to Kentucky Fried Chicken. So fun fact, I'm actually a Kentucky Colonel, just like my boy Colonel Sanders up there. Things are looking busy so far. I just marked that I'm arrived. GrubHub is staying steady. I hope this rain lasts all night, to be honest. As much as it sucks delivering in the rain, usually it means you're in for a good night. Gonna run in, grab that food, and keep things moving. Things are staying busy as expected. I dropped off that KFC order and immediately got a order for Nico Sushi. I just grabbed that. I'm about to go drop it off. It's only 5 minutes away, so that's super awesome. Hopefully I'll get another order or like a stacked order on my way over. That KFC order killed me though. It was like a $85 KFC order for $6 pay and no tip. Hey, it happens, but that's probably the biggest order I've had without a tip, so that's a little frustrating. I mean, the customer was nice, but it is what it is. So I've been waiting about 5 minutes since that last order, the Nico Sushi. I had UberEats on and GrubHub on. I ended up getting a GrubHub order with Burger King. Surprisingly, it is a $12 Burger King order, so I'm assuming I got a pretty decent tip. I don't know. It's been a busy night tonight. So my last drop-off was at 7:45, which it's now 8:20. So things slowed down a little bit. I did turn on Uber Eats and Postmates, and I just got an Uber Eats order for Applebee's, which is behind me. I'm gonna run in, grab that food. Hopefully it's ready, and I can make a quick delivery. I still have GrubHub on, so it could get crazy, but we'll see what happens. All right, I just got home. I'm about to do my earnings update for the night. So let's see, with GrubHub, I made $33.23 doing 4 orders, and then I got that $5 cash tip, so I made $38.23 there. And then with Uber Eats, I made $9.76 off of that one order with Applebee's, and the customer is still able to tip, so maybe I'll get a tip on top of that. So I made $48 just about, and I was out for 3.5 hours, so pretty good night. Nothing special, but definitely not a bad night either. It did start to slow down at 7:45. I only got one order after that, and it's delivered until 9, so that's kind of frustrating, but it is what it is. I'll see you next time. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.